Here's how to remove backgrounds from your images in 30 seconds or less. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove backgrounds for your website images with just one easy click. What's up, Tariq here with Event Hawk, bringing you the best tips and tools to skyrocket your business online. Now, I've tried so many different image editors. There's tons of free ones, paid ones, and they're all so complicated. But this one, I'm gonna show you how easy it was to go ahead and remove image backgrounds from my website using Canva. All right, so you're gonna go to canva.com, you're gonna create a design, and then you're gonna pull up the picture that you wanna remove the background. Look how easy it is. I just dragged the picture over here, I uploaded it. I'm gonna click Edit Image, and then I'm gonna click BG Remover. One click, look at that. So you see how super easy that one was, but sometimes it's not so simple. Sometimes even after that one click, there's still some extras that you gotta remove. I'm gonna show you how to remove those right now. But first, what editing programs have you used before that were great and which ones totally sucked? Tell me in the comments section below, what are your favorite image editing programs? What worked, what didn't? And hey, if you've gotten any kind of value from this video at all, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you awesome videos like this. So let's look at an example where it doesn't work out perfectly. Like a little bit here, you gotta come back with some of this stuff. It's not exactly perfect. So what do you do in that case? Well, after you click Edit Image, you actually have the option to erase or restore. So if I wanted to restore those tips there, I can hit Show Original Image. It'll show me what was erased, and I can slowly start to bring it back in. Then you hit Done when you're done. Let me show you guys a different example here. So this one here, the background was removed, but the tarp stayed in there. And I can't get the tarp to automatically be removed. So I'm gonna click on the image, Edit Image, BG Remover, and now this is where you can go to erase. And you just have to be mindful of the size and the zoom. Those are really the two main things that I use. I'll blow it up all the way and I'll use as big of a brush as I can. And with these, it's almost better to cut in than to leave out. So I'll just kind of go like that. I'll go in a line. And even if you do leave a little bit, nobody really even noticed because they don't know what it's supposed to look like. You just want to avoid like sharp edges. Those kind of give it away. All right, so I'm going to get rid of all that. And I'm going to make my brush a little bit smaller. Zoom in and take care of the rest. There, a little bit smaller even. All right, we're gonna hit done. And that looks awesome. Now that we've done that, not only can we use this as a white background, like here for our inventory, you can now add things to it, like these new buttons or backgrounds if you want to. So now I can go ahead and add elements from here. And if I wanted to add a background or something like that, I can easily do that, and it could just really make it pop. How easy and awesome was that? This is gonna make your website images look so crisp. Now, if you wanna take it a step further, right? So now you have these crisp website images, but what about product descriptions? If you wanna learn about a program that can actually write product descriptions for your website, then you're gonna wanna check out this video. It's free, it does it for you, it's amazing. Click this YouTube card, but if you're more interested in learning how to optimize your website, how to get it to rank better, how to get more customers to actually interact with your site and become leads and book and spend money, etc., then you're gonna wanna check out this video. I'll link to the YouTube card, I'll link it below as well, and I'll see you on the next one.